Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for You. Last time that we were using VisualWorks, I went through the time profiler a bit, and I thought I'd cover the allocation profiler. Sometimes you're not interested in how long something takes, you're interested in how much memory something consumes. And using the allocation profiler takes about the same kind of code usage as the time profiler. You still want to go into the parcel manager and load AT profiling UI, and that'll bring in the core. Once that's there, using it is as simple as using the time profiler. Instead of time profiler, it's allocation profiler, profile colon, and then put the code you want to test in a block, and then just run it. So I do this, and here I've got a bottom feeder image, and I'm going to go and query my blog XML feed here, and I'm just going to go ahead and see how much allocation goes on with that. So I'll do it here. And it doesn't take very long to execute. So here we see instead of time profiling allocation. So we see that 70% of the allocations are in this code, so I can contract that. And then the other 30%, roughly speaking, is there. So I can contract these two and then expand them really in one-by-one kind of mode and see where does everything actually go. So I can see this splits down here and then down into these things. So I can see I've got a little bit in streaming. I've got some more in streaming with the XML parser. So I can see that the bulk of this is actually the work of the XML parser. So again, not my code, not something I'm going to have to worry about really. So I can kind of hone in on places where I think a lot of memory is being used and find out, is it my problem? Is it the system's problem? Is it something I need to worry about at all? And the allocation profiler is the simplest way to figure that out. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.